First time driving a Vette. Yee-yee. That's what it's all about, you know, giving people the opportunity to do something that they'll may never get to do. I mean, how many of you have gotten to drive your dream car? Oh ho ho. Maybe not his dream car, but you know what? It's to them it's like, hey, this is Trevor's dream car. And it is, it is. And if Carrie's watching, yes, I have your keys in my hand because we're about to do something very cool with your car. So if you hurry up and get here, eventually we'll fix it right up. It might even be fixed up by the time you get back. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. My name's Trevor and this is Carrie's Corvette, 1990 Corvette. If you haven't watched that video, check both of them out. Yes, you can help, Riley. We got Cohen. Yep, Cohen can help. We'll have you guys be camera crew. So today we're installing her belt. We finally, after what has it been, like 2 weeks?
Yeah.
2 or 3 weeks, got it. It's been a while. We've been waiting. We ordered the wrong one at first, and then ordered the right one.
Hey, you're dirty.
Yep, my tires are dirty. What's in your yard, bud?
Yeah.
So here's the little diagram, shows you where everything's gonna go. Right now she's working on the hardest part, which is the bottom.
Let me take these off. They're fine. I don't feel like dirtying them.
So to get it around the crankshaft, which is this bottom one here, you have to get it like the frame down here. You have to get it in between that, and it's a pain in the butt. And then the water, back up, Bubba. Hold on for a second. The water pump here has a problem too because you got to get in between both of those. Which, yeah, you can see right there.
Pretty bad when I've done this three times already.
Becoming a professional, right?
Yeah, man. I've already changed this boat 3 times between the wrong ones.
What does this mean? What does this say, Dad?
Washer fluid.
That's the washer fluid.
What does that do?
That's the stuff that you spray on your windshield.
And this part goes clear under here. So we're gonna take that off.
Yep. So you want to leave this off of your AC compressor. At least yeah, that's what that is. That's your AC compressor. So you want to leave. Hold on, Bubba. You want to leave your new belt off of that, so that you can then get your tensioner pushed down, which will give you enough room to put it on your condenser.
Hey, it's not supposed to be on the edge. Yes, you can. Don't throw me out of the rock.
This is the hard part.
Yeah.
Yep.
Trying to wiggle the belt in there just the right way. Oh, there it is. Hey, don't.
Oh, it's not in there.
Yeah, but don't.
Because it slides it off.
But you get your tensioner down there. I think this is a 1/4
Yeah.
inch breaker bar. We're going to use that to push the breaker bar this way, which will in turn push the tensioner down, giving us just enough room to pull this over the condenser.
Maybe if we can get this part in it, it doesn't go in more than like...
Yeah, like a centimeter.
Yeah.
And then,
Oh god, I'm holding it with my
Come on.
hand, so be careful.
come on. Not,
Hold on, I gotta let go.
Okay, go for it.
I was holding it with my hand. Alright.
That was close. Oh yeah, there you go. Maybe you can just push it down.
Just push it down.
Come on. It's so close, but it's still too tight. After a little bit of finagling with it, the best way is to take it off the alternator and then have it on your AC condenser. Push your tensioner down, then slap it over the alternator. And there you go. That's how you change your belt on your 1990 Chevy Corvette. Now I'm sure this is similar for other C4s, but I don't really know. Also, when you order the belt, be sure to order the OHC, I believe. Not the...
Figure out which one's a ZR1 and which one's not, and don't order the ZR1. Like I said.
Unless you have a ZR1. I think the ZR1 is the dual overhead cam, the DOHC version of the motor. So just make sure you take a note of that when you order. Otherwise, you're good to go. And if you like this video or this video helped you out, please leave me a thumbs up. Drop comments down below. Let me know what you think of this install video, this how-to. Also on the way out, God, I'm saying also a lot. That's gonna kill me later. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button, because not only are we gonna have more content on Apollo here, which you can follow on Instagram, but we have some on Dora coming, or may have already happened, and AV, the Corvette, is getting something else. And I'm not too sure what it could be. So anyhow, have a great night, and we'll catch you in the next video.